Hello, everybody. I am S.N. Chakraborty here, welcoming you to enroll for the forthcoming essay writing orientation course starting on 14th of November 2024. You all know essay is part of the general studies in UPSC mains examination. There are 8 essays divided into 2 sections, A and B. A candidate will have to write 1 essay from each section in around 1,000 and 1,200 words. But essay writing in UPSC mains examination is challenging. You might have seen that the candidates, in spite of having good stock of information and good command over language, is not scoring up to their expectation in the essay paper. While there are students, there are candidates who are doing in essay paper reasonably well, but their language articulation is not so strong. Why? Why it happens? It indicates that mere good language, good stock of information is not enough for writing good essay in UPSC mains examination. Good command over language, good stock of information, good handwriting, good length are all advantages. But that is never enough to write a score-fetching essay. Essay writing, therefore, is much more serious exercise than one may think, particularly when in the recent years the patterns of essay topic have been changing very fast. On the other side, the essay mark is coming down, and now 120 mark in essay paper is considered fairly well and in the higher side. But that tells that preparation of the essay paper needs renewed attention and serious engagement. Essay writing, therefore, is a much serious exercise than what one may think about, particularly when the patterns of the essay topic have been changing faster than one might have thought. On the other side, the average score in essay paper is coming down. Now it is around 120 marks, which is found fairly well, rather in the higher side. I can tell you that this informs that preparation for the essay paper needs renewed attention and serious engagement. Essay paper indeed requires attention. There is coverage area which is important in the essay writing, but flow of discussion is equally crucial. Logical sequence creates the roadmap of the essay, and through regular and systematic practice, one can acquire this skill. There is no God-given skill involved in it. Essay writing, therefore, is a serious business. One thing I am telling you that, for every essay, using certain categories like political, economic, social, cultural is not a very a good system. Better to come out of the stereotype. The categories of the essay or the coverage area, what we call popularly as dimensions, need to be decided according to the need of the essay or nature of the essay topic. For example, in 2021, there is a topic that hand that rocks the cradle rules the world. Do you think that political, economic, social, cultural will work very well here? Certainly not. Therefore, what you require is a good command over decoding the essay topic. And once you are decoding the essay topic, that should be done very fast, because time management is important here. And after doing it, you'll have to develop a correct, proper, and comprehensive framework. What is framework? It indicates how a candidate has understood a topic's need and expectation, and how that person is going to write the essay. So please also look at it. And I can tell you that if you really try to acquire this capacity and skill, this is possible. Once you understand it, then your writing part comes. Now, presentation of the discussion and maintaining flow is very, very important here. And, when you are doing it, you must do systematically from the beginning, that is introduction to conclusion. You must be consistent, focused, and systematic. And, you must have a position on that, essay topic according to expectation and demand. Then you must lead the discussion to achieve that goal. Therefore, essay writing is both an intellectual exercise and an intelligent exercise. And you have to see that essay goes very well. I'm just giving you an example that a top brass civil servant will not jump into an action emotionally or abruptly. He will understand the work, he will think about it, he will plan, he will strategize, and then he will go into action. Same principle is applied in essay writing too. Keeping these requirements on the backdrop, the forthcoming essay writing orientation course will be held from 14th November. I, as mentor and facilitator of this course, assuring you that it will be interesting and interactive. It will definitely enhance your skill and capacity in essay writing. You will definitely find a different way of understanding essay topic and approach an essay. I am looking forward to have you on board. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.